Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect a custom domain from Hostinger to your Google Sites website. This is perfect if you have built a free site with Google Sites but want a professional domain name like yourname.com. Then let's get started. Before we begin, here's what you will need. A Google site already published, a domain registered on Hostinger, access to your Google and Hostinger accounts. Now let's link them. First of all, open your Google site. In the top right corner, click Publish and then View Published Site. Copy the URL. We'll need it later for verification. Copy something like https site.google.com. View your store. Now we'll tell Google to expect a custom domain. Go back to Google Sites, then click Settings. Then go to Custom Domain, then Start Setup, then choose Use a domain from a third party and enter your custom domain like www.yourdomain.com. It will show you the CNAME and TXT records you need to add to Hostinger. Now go to your Hostinger dashboard, click Domains, your domain name, go to the DNS zone editor. Now add two things, CNAME CNAME record. First of all, type CNAME, name, www, then target, gas.googlehosted.com, then txt record, for verification, type txt name @ or leave blank, value, copy the txt string from Google. It can take 10 to 30 minutes for DNS changes to update. Now go back to Google Sites and click Verify. If your DNS records are correct, you will get a success message. Your domain is connected. If not, don't worry. DNS can take time. Wait 10 to 16 minutes, 10 to 60 minutes, and try again. Want your site to work even if someone types just yoursite.com without the www? Go to Hostinger's DNS again and set up a 301 redirect. Redirect from yoursite.com to www.yoursite.com. This way, everything points to your Google site. In Hostinger, make sure your site has SSL that padlock in the browser. In Hostinger, go to SSL, then enable free SSL for your domain. You don't need to do this for Google Sites. It handles SSL on the ghs.googlehosted.com and IND. Also, update your Google site title and favicon under settings for a branded feel. And that's it. Your Hostinger domain is now connected to your Google site. Now your site looks professional with a clean domain, no more long Google links. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more simple website tips, and leave comment if you want a video on custom emails or Google Analytics setup. See you on the next one. Thanks for watching.